Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Last class what we have learned? Transport. Okay, the meaning of transport, types of transport. Now we will learn what is transport, then the story of transport. Okay, let us learn the lesson. What is transport? Transport is a system to take people and goods or things from one place to another. We need some means or way to move from one place to another. When we have to go to a place which is not very far, we usually walk. Walking is the most common way to cover the short distance. But when we have to cover longer distance or when we need to carry things that are either too big or too heavy to be carried by hand, we need some means of transport. The vehicles that carry people or things from one place to another are known as the means of transport. For example, bus, cart, truck, boat or aeroplane. The story of transportation. Let us read this interesting story of transportation. Long ago, when there were no vehicles, people used to walk from one place to another. They pulled or carried loads on their own. Sometimes they also used a sledge like them to carry goods. They later used animals to carry them and their goods from one place to another. People also used raft or simple boats to travel through water. Later on, big boats and ships were used to carry people and goods to far away places. Later, they used animals to carry them and their goods from one place to another. People also used raft or simple boats to travel water. Later on, big boat and ships were used to carry people and goods to far away places. The vehicles we use today were not there in those days. The invention of the wheels brought a big change in the system of transport. Wheels were first used to roll wooden planks on which heavy things were placed. Later, wheels were used in carts pulled by animals. Since wheels made movement easy, they came to be used in all types of vehicles that were invented later. Wheels also made traveling faster. Man was always attached by how birds used their wings to fly. This led to the invention of aeroplanes to travel by air. We can now reach places that are very far in a very short time by traveling in an aeroplane. Models of transport. There are three models of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. Let us learn more about them. First one, land transport. Land transport includes wheels that moves on land. There are some vehicles such as bicycle, rickshaw, car, motorcycle, bus and truck that move on roads. There are those that run on tracks such as trains. There are passenger trains for people and goods trying to carry goods from one place to another. Land transport is of three types: animal driven, man driven, and motor driven. Animal driven: horse cart, bullock cart, camel cart, and sledge. Man driven: bicycle, rickshaw, and motor driven: auto rickshaw, scooter, motorcycle, car, van, bus, then tempo and truck. What we have learned: animal driven, man driven, and motor driven. The next one, we can see water transport. Water transport carries people and goods from one place to another through water. Ship, boat, steamer, then sailboat and coracle are some common means of water transport. What are they? Ship, steamer, coracle, sailboat. There are large ships which carry people one country to another. They are like big hotels on a ship and are called cruise lines. A cruise liner is one of the most costly means of transport. Next one is air transport. Air transport carries people and goods from one place to another by air. Helicopters and aeroplanes are common means of transport. It is a very fast and costly means of transport. Aeroplane, helicopter. Air transport carry people and goods from one place to another by air. Helicopter and aeroplane are common means of transport. It is a very fast and costly means of transport.
Have you understood this lesson? Okay. Thank you for listening. We will see the next class.